Okay, so the experience was pretty good. Like in the first 2 sessions, we basically learned a lot about practical things, apart from the theoretical things that we study regularly, and it was very necessary for us. And especially, I would like to emphasize on the leadership, the cooperation, and the team quality that we have to put in to get everything right and on the place. So, like the experiment one was about making an amplifier, and we learned a lot about time management. It was because of me and my team that we managed to pull that one off. And it is really important to take part in all these activities very regularly. It helps us a lot, and like the brain would work in a much better way if we keep these things on a regular basis and apply the practical things often. Yeah.
Do you think that it will help you, and what are you expecting for the upcoming hours?
Yeah, I mean, definitely it is gonna help. Like if this is the situation in only 2 hours, I'm like pretty sure in like next 46 hours it's gonna be much better. And I'm hoping that like it will go very good. It is going good. It is going amazing. And my expectations are really high. Like within the next 6-7 hours, I'm gonna be something else, and like a new version of myself, I can say that.
When I was in the classes 9th and 10th, it was the COVID period, so then too I never used the lab equipments. But actually this is pretty new, but all of this experience has been very unique and engrossing. We got to learn some things which we have never heard of. And I hope that this curiosity will bring something new in me. Thank you so much.
ये जो सेशन हुआ इसमें मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा लगा, क्योंकि इसमें हम लोगों को जब कुछ भी नहीं आता था तब हम लोगों को सर ने इतना सब सिखा दिया. अब इससे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं टीम के साथ काम करना भी सीख गए. अगर आगे ऐसे हमें और भी सिखाया जाए तो हम लोग ऐसे ही छोटे लेवल से चालू करके आगे बहुत बड़ा business startup कर सकते हैं.
It was pretty fun experience, and we did many great things. We learned teamwork, and this was my first time working in a team, and the feeling that we had was very intense to win the to do great. We had a lot of fun experience, and we learned teamwork. This was the first time of mine working in a team, and the feeling we had during the time we were given to complete the project was pretty much very intense. And like now we did a project on a phone amplifier, how to make a phone amplifier, and the second time we had to make a 3D model.